Now, a serious health crisis appears to be looming in a section of rural Jamaica. Residents in southwest St. Anne say they have to be using contaminated water for years, and it's now making them sick. TVJ Shamela Mitchell reports.
A mini pond in deep rural St. Anne, something not unfamiliar. But there are concerns about this particular water source. It is filled with debris and, without being treated, is being consumed by more than 2,000 people in southwest St. Anne.
We use it, cook, wash, drink, do all sort of things.
From this pond, the commodity is transported for household use in buckets and bottles. This donkey helps as well. It's about 5 minutes from the main road to the riverhead where the residents come to get their water on a daily basis. For some, it's a difficult journey. For others, it has become quite easy. They have been using the pond because a tank installed by the municipal corporation to supply water is often empty.
We can't stop drinking for we can't do no better.
Some argue that the water is safe for drinking, but that view is not shared by all.
It's a running stream, you know. Actually, them taking up it half thing, make it look like this.
That I want stagnant water for me. I look up boy that the one place so the water no run. Nah, nothing. And when rain falling, it catch pan the reservoir, bird and sitting pitch and fill pan, rat, everything. And you run good in the sun and then catch it.
Some residents say people have become ill after consuming the water.
Sometimes it affects the belly, the tummy.
How it affect your tummy?
Like sometimes let it run.
We feel sick inside, weak, and then weird sometimes, you know. We don't love how we feel, man. And not just we alone. The whole of we up here.
They blame their political representatives for not doing enough to help.
Nothing at all and going for January there, so. I wonder what happened to Mr. Brown. What remember, what the MP name, man? What the MP name? Xavier Name. I wonder what happened to Xavier Name for election, we don't see him back. Nothing if he asks himself he can give it water.
When TVJ News contacted People's National Party Councillor for the Barbridge Division, Winston Brown, and the Jamaica Labour Party Member of Parliament for Southwest St. Anne, Xavier Main, both men refuted the claims. They say water has been trucked to the area. But the residents dispute the claim and are calling on the Prime Minister to intervene.
Right now, TVJ, I'm glad to see you in the community. That's we can send out to where we have to say that's the government. Mr. Prime Minister, I hope you get that one. And no, say January people, when election time come, then jump up for you. So we want to see you, no man, and can do something for you district, man. The people they want water, good, decent running water.
Meanwhile, Mayor of St. Anne's Bay, Michael Belnavis, says the corporation is aware of the challenges and is working to address it. Shamela Mitchell, TVJ News.